morning guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I'm just going to be vlogging a bit of my day today, so not doing much exciting. Ivy slept out at her grandma's last night, so I've just got little Oliver with us. We're just going to go and grab a Starbucks. We're going to go for a little walk along the beach, not actually on the sand but along the promenade, the top of the beach. It's not too hot, it's 17 degrees. I want to get out and get some steps done before it gets warm, because the last couple of days have been unbearable and I couldn't possibly go out and do steps and go for a walk in that heat. It's just too hot. So Oliver was up at 5:15 this morning, so he is, hopefully he's going to go to sleep on the drive, but he's currently looking out the window at the moment. I don't know whether I vlog over 1 or 2 days. We'll see how much content I get today, and then go from there. The beach we're going to go to is Tynemouth in Cullercoats and walk along. But we're going to go and get Starbucks first. I've seen everywhere on TikTok the Starbucks hack where you basically select for 130 pints whatever coffee you want. I went for a hot coffee this morning, and then you add like your syrups in and stuff like that, and you manage to get a coffee for free. I've seen people pay like 65 pence. I managed to get mine for free. I got a coffee with vanilla sauce, vanilla syrup, so, and a bit of caramel drizzle on the top. So we'll see what it's like. I hope to God they've put milk in it. Hello. Yes, it is, yeah. Thank you. Have a lovely day. So we're currently at the beach. We're going to go for a little walk in a minute. Oliver's just woke up, so I'm just going to show you where we are. We're at the beach. This is where we are. This is Tynemouth. There's a few We're just on a walk now, just along Tynemouth, as you can see. Just me and the little boy now, so I'm just going to go for a little walk. Just got back off my walk. Walked from Beaconfield car park, which is the one next to the aquarium, into Tynemouth and then back. So I am a bit hot. Took 23 minutes, so it was a nice little workout. So it's saved. So before the walk I was on 600 and something steps, 690 something steps. I am currently on 2,931, so we've got about 2,000 steps in there. So it was just nice. It was just nice to do. I'm hot. It is getting hotter out there. I mean, it's still saying 17 degrees, but it is definitely getting warmer out there. I can feel it now, whereas before I couldn't. So I'm just going to drive from Tynemouth to my mum's. Say Ivy, my mum's got a couple of people coming to collect something that's just selling on Marketplace, so they're coming at 9 o'clock, so we're going to be there for that. I'm going to have a drink of water. You know what song I can't get out of my head? Puerto Rico, that song. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Oh, I've sold something on Vinted. I've got loads of kids stuff up on Vinted. I'm just sick of it. I just want it gone now. Just want it gone. But yeah, we'll make headway. Oliver did fall asleep during the walk, so he did fall asleep. I'm hoping he will now stay asleep. He's a bit rough with his morning nap. He's good with his afternoon nap, but with his morning nap, he prefers to sleep on the go and in the car for his morning nap. Then he prefers his nighttime nap at home, but his morning nap, he just loves having it in the car. So so yeah, he's currently asleep. He had his bottle at quarter to 6, so he should be due a bottle soon. He's feeding every sort of 3-4 hours, so he should be due a bottle soon. But if I can keep him asleep till we get to my mum's, then that would be great. That would be absolutely fabulous. It's a lovely day. It's just humid and sticky. It's just so sticky. And then I don't know what else we're going to do for the rest of our day, because we've done my walk. I've had a coffee, we've done my walk. I need to go and do these few selling bits for my mum. And I don't think we'll have anything else on. It's too hot. It's only 8:15 and I'm already saying it, it's too hot. Us Brits are not, in the UK, are not made for this weather. If I was abroad and on holiday and I had aircon, absolutely fine in this heat. But because we're in the UK and we don't have aircon anywhere, that's why everyone's struggling. So yeah. I'll see you when we're at my mum's, because surely Ivy will have something. I need to help my mum with a bit of packing, so we might do that as well. We'll wait, and then we'll go from there. See you shortly. So we have been to the shops. I picked up Ivy and we've been to the shops. We've been to Tesco's, so I'll just show you what I got. So first I got the Organics Melty Carrot Puffs, because reading these, they don't have any milk in them, which Oliver is... Are you okay? Are you alright? Oliver has a cow's milk protein allergy, So by the looks of it, it didn't have any milk in it. I got us some 4 Belgian triple shortbreads, which are yummy. I got the kids some Sanex Zero Kids. It is the zero one. I got 3 pouches for Oliver, so these all don't contain any milk or dairy from what I can see. So this is the Tesco's own brand, and then he loves these ones, so we got him that one, and we got him that one. I did also get a PR package from a company called Wild Mint, which I'm going to be reviewing. So it comes with 3 different steps. So it comes with the Calm Cleanser, which you'll wash them with. It comes with the Calm Cream, and it comes with the Calm Balm in a little spatula for that one. So it looks really good actually. It's quite neatly organised.
Mummy,
yes, darling?
tell the mama I had an egg.
Oh, Ivy had a Kinder Egg. They're her treat, she loves them. I've just done a little patch test, because it does recommend a patch test on Oliver, because he has got eczema, a little bit of eczema. So we've done a patch test, haven't we? Have we done a patch test on you? He's never tried these before, so I've just tried them with him, and he thoroughly loves them. But at the moment, I think he's doing something in his nappy, so I think he's not a happy little chap. So we're going to put this stuff away. Ivy's doing a bit of colouring in. Ivy, do you want to come and show them you're colouring in? And show our friends you're colouring in.
Tell them I'm colouring in.
Ivy's colouring in. She's colouring in with one of them. They're like your pictures, and you use water and it makes them a colour. We'll show you in a second, Munches. Just going to pop this stuff away. And we're going to come and have a look, yeah? Come on then. We're going to have a look at Ivy's drawing. Are you showing them, Ivy, how you do it? So that pen's just got water in, and she just colours in it. Look. Wow. This was our final result of our tea. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye. This is my tea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.